Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Whether you have been using this app to source and ship products from China for a very long time, or you are new to Xianyu Chinese shopping app to source and ship products from China, but you got scammed by a supplier or a seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Here is a simple way to report the scammers and how you can actually get your money back from the fraud seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The next thing you want to do right here, when you open up your Xianyu app, so all you have to do is to click on your profile icon right here. That will take you to your profile page sections right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to Security Center. So click on Security Center right here. And it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Quick Report right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the first result right here. And it's going to take you right here. All you have to do is to make sure you select the supplier that scam you right here. You have to make sure you select the chart and the ID right here. Once you select them, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on here and proceed. Submit all the proof and evidence that you got scammed, and then Xianyu team is going to respond and get you the case. And if you eventually get scammed and you make payment on Xianyu Chinese shopping app with your Alipay, you will definitely get your money back. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply report a scam seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. You can use this method to report as many as possible scammers on Xianyu that got you scammed on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Provided that you make payment on Xianyu app right here, you will definitely get your money back from the particular store. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.